Hi, my name's Deborah Pusey from Cosmetics for Confidence. Today I want to talk to you about Avon's new Power Stay foundation, and it's designed to do just that, stay put. So if you're fed up with the fact that your foundation maybe transfers onto your blouse collar when you're getting changed, or maybe you're out and about and halfway through the day or the night you feel like your foundation isn't where it should be, you want to touch it up but then that ruins your whole makeup, or maybe you're out exercising even and that the heat or whatever and your makeup's just not staying. Well, this is designed to do just that. It's lovely, it's matte, yet it's very breathable. It feels light in terms of it's very comfortable as well. So I'm going to show you how I apply it. I'm going to use a foundation brush, flat foundation brush, and it actually comes in 20 different shades, so you're definitely going to be able to find the right shade for you. What we recommend you do is you just basically maybe get a couple of shades, put them up against your jawline, so around there, and then you're looking for the one that obviously blends in most with your skin colour. So you're really looking for it to match it around your neck at the end of the day, not your wrist, because after all, you wear your foundation obviously on your face at different times of the year. Obviously your foundation shade may need to change, because obviously if you've got a bit of a colour, you've been away, you may well find that you need a slightly darker shade than you would maybe in winter, but basically that's what you're looking to do. It's great coverage, this, and once you've done that, it's up to you if you use a brush to finish off, or buffing brush. I love to use this. It's not essential, but I love this. It's a beauty sponge. I've just rinsed it and then squeezed out the water, and it's like a precision sponge, and I just basically just tap over that, and it just creates a really lovely finish. And you can just make sure you've got that blended really well up into the corners and obviously around your neck as well. It's such a lovely matte finish, but it just feels so light. So there you go, an awful lot better.